Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool dishwasher upper dish rack rail roller. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new upper dish rack rail roller. The upper dish rack rail roller supports the upper dish rack. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged and the upper rack's not moving in and out properly. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Once you have the door open, we have access to the upper dish rack. You just have to pull it out so we can take the end caps off the rails. There's a little button right here in the middle that you have to press to release the locking tab. And then you just have to press the end cap in towards the center of the dishwasher. Once you have it free, you can pull it off and set it aside. The one on the other side comes off the same way. Once you have the end caps off, you can set the upper dish rack aside. Now that we have the rack out of the way, you can see there's 4 roller sets, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. If you're changing out the front one, you just have to remove the screws and pull it out. If you're changing the back one, you have to take the rear end cap off. We're going to show you how to do that one. Just want to take a small flathead screwdriver and press on the locking tab and press up on the end cap. Once you have it free, you can pull it out and set it aside. Once you have the end cap off, we're going to use the 3/16" nut driver to take out the screws to hold the roller on. Once you have the screws out, we're going to pull the rail forward and then pull the rollers off. Here's the old upper dish rack rail roller next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new rollers in, we're just going to line it up and put the rail through it. Then we can grab the 3/16" nut driver and put the screws in. Then we can put the rear end cap back in. Just have to line it up, snap it in place. Once you have that on, we can put the upper dish rack back in. Just want to line up the rollers with the rails and push them back in place. Once you have it on the rails, you want to push it back in and then pull the rails out so we can put the end caps on. To put the end caps on, you just want to line up little tabs with the cutouts on the rails, then push it into place, and you want to make sure that the locking tab locks on. Once you have this side on, you can do the other side. Once you have the end caps on, we can push the upper rack back in, close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.